Hey guys, Keyboard Dunce here, and today we're looking at the Corsair K95 Platinum RGB gaming keyboard. K95 Platinum features Cherry MX brown switches and is also offered with Cherry MX speed switches. The keyboard includes a removable wrist rest. As you can see, the wrist rest is easy to install, similar to that of removing it, and includes a reversible surface. One is textured and one is smooth, and it's fastened to the wrist rest with magnets, which are nice and strong. With the K95, you're going to receive these contoured, textured FPS gaming keycaps. Kudos to Corsair because the build quality on this board is really good and the keycaps don't really wobble. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe so I can buy some more keyboards to do videos on. Or don't. Yeah, you know what? Don't subscribe. Unsubscribe. And dislike this video right now.